unites people. Armies, flags, stories. We are in the great game now, and the game is terrifying.
Yep, everything you just saw was made with AI, and today I'm going to show you exactly how I created this video. As you can see, it looks absolutely outstanding. I made the whole thing using only my laptop, a few AI tools, and a little bit of creativity. Yes, that's all it took. So if you're a subscriber or you've just stumbled upon this video, then you're in luck, because today I'm going to give you all the game for absolutely free. As you just saw, I've cast Conor McGregor as Jon Snow, Ana de Armas as Sansa Stark, Sydney Sweeney as Daenerys Targaryen, and Henry Cavill as Tyrion Lannister, just to make things more interesting. And I'll be showing you how you can do that too. I used Minimax and SeeDream for the images and videos, and I'll show you exactly how to get unlimited access to both of them. I'll literally walk you through everything from getting the idea and inspiration, drafting the scenes, generating the images, turning them into videos, creating the voiceovers, and editing the final video. You won't have to worry about a single thing. And trust me guys, other gurus out there charge thousands of dollars for this kind of stuff, and their courses aren't even that good. But I'll show you everything in this one video. So make sure you pay close attention, and without wasting any more time, let's get straight into it. Now, we're going to make this video in few simple steps. Step number 1, getting the idea. This part is completely up to you. You can choose any topic you like, take inspiration from movies, other videos, TV series, or anything that sparks your creativity. For this video, I've chosen Game of Thrones because it's one of my favorite TV shows, and I know the characters and the story really well. Once you're ready with your idea or topic, it's time to create the basic draft of your video. This is basically where you decide how many scenes your video will have and the order in which those scenes will appear. For this video, I took inspiration from the actual Game of Thrones series and also used ChatGPT to help me structure everything. I combined both to create my final draft. Now, if you're taking inspiration from other movies or trailers, make sure you don't just blindly copy them. Take inspiration, add your own twist, and use AI tools if needed. If you want ChatGPT to help you with the entire draft, here's how you can do it. Just open ChatGPT, paste the prompt I'll be sharing with you, and hit generate. As you can see, ChatGPT will create a complete scene-by-scene draft for your video. However, I don't recommend relying on it completely because it's still AI and the output can feel a bit robotic. It's always better to mix in your own creativity and make the final draft more natural and personal. Alright, now once you're ready with your scene draft, it's time for the fun part, generating the visuals. For the images, I'll be using SeeDream4 because honestly, it's just outstanding, and you already saw how amazing the results were. And for the videos, I'll be using Minimax. Now here's the best part, I'll be using them on Higgsfield AI, and right now they're offering unlimited access to both Minimax and SeeDream4. Yes, unlimited. But let me tell you guys, Higgsfield AI isn't free. You'll need to purchase a subscription to get unlimited access to all these tools. And let's face it, you can't really create professional quality videos like this using only free tools. At some point, you'll need to invest, and it's always smarter to invest in something that actually helps you create next level content. Now, if you're not ready to invest yet, that's totally fine. In my previous video, I showed a tool where you can generate 200 free images using SeeDream4 and even 5 to 10 videos using Dance Pro for free. So you can check out that video if you'd like to test things out first, but if you just want to skip all the hassle and go straight to the good stuff, then I'd recommend using Higgsfield AI and getting a subscription. To get started, simply click the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. Once you're in, you'll see an interface like this. As you can see, they're currently offering unlimited access to Minimax for a week, then Nano Banana and SeeDream4 for an entire year. Now let's start generating our images. To do that, hover over the image option, and from here, select SeeDream4. This is the main interface, and right here is the prompt section. So let's give it a prompt. For the first scene, I'll paste this one, and as always, I prepared a detailed document containing all the prompts for images, videos, music, voiceovers, basically everything you'll need. If you want that guide, just let me know in the comments and I'll send it to you. Alright, next you'll need to choose the aspect ratio. I'll go with 16:9 and then make sure to turn on this unlimited option. Otherwise, it'll start deducting credits. After that, just hit generate. Since it's unlimited, I'm gonna hit generate a few times. Let's go with 4, because you can create up to 8 images at once. And hey, it's unlimited, so why not? And here's the output. Just look at that. This image looks absolutely outstanding, so cinematic and exactly what I was going for. It literally looks like a real scene from Game of Thrones, doesn't it? It's just too good. And now, let me show you how I cast Conor McGregor as Jon Snow. It's actually pretty simple. First, you need to upload the image from here. I've already uploaded this one. After that, I just gave it this prompt and hit generate. And here's the result. Just look at that. This image looks absolutely outstanding. I'm honestly shocked by how well it turned out. The face consistency is on a whole different level. I'm telling you, with SeeDream4, you can take your creativity to a completely new level. You won't believe how good it is until you actually try it yourself. Now, let's try one more. Let's cast Sweeney as Daenerys Stormborn. So, I'll upload this image of Sweeney, give it this prompt, and hit generate. And here it is. Just look at that. This one looks absolutely amazing. Look at the dragon. The level of detail is insane. This is just too good. Seriously, outstanding work by SeeDream4. After this, all you need to do is create all your images one by one according to your scene draft. Once you're done creating your images, it's time to turn them into videos. For that, I'll be using Minimax, but you can use any video generator of your choice. I'm choosing Minimax because right now it's unlimited, which is just perfect for creating as many videos as you want. To generate your videos, hover over the video option and select Minimax. Now, let's upload our image. I've uploaded this one right here. Next, we'll give it a prompt. I like to keep my prompts very simple because with Minimax, the simpler the prompt, the better the result. After that, you can choose your aspect ratio and resolution. I'll go with 1080p, and again, make sure you turn on the unlimited option. Otherwise, it'll start deducting credits. Once that's done, hit generate, and here's the output. Wow, as you can see, the video looks absolutely outstanding. The motion is super smooth, there are no distortions or weird morphing, and it looks exactly like a real scene from Game of Thrones. Great stuff by Minimax. Let's try one more. This time I'll upload this image, give it this prompt, and hit generate. And here's the result. Again, looks amazing. The video feels very cinematic, the motions are fluid, and it turned out exactly how I wanted. Now you'll need to transform all your images into videos one by one. And in a few complex scenes where Minimax didn't produce great results, I used SeeDance Pro instead. It handled those tricky scenes perfectly. Okay, once you're done with your images and videos, it's time to generate the background music. Now, this step is very important, guys, because without great music, your video won't be able to create that emotional impact. For this part, we'll be using Suno, because honestly, it's one of the best tools out there for AI-generated music. To get started, simply click the link in the description and sign up. After signing up, Suno will give you 50 free credits to generate your music. Once you're in, click on the Create option and then choose Custom. Now here you'll need to write your music styles, so I'll be pasting mine based on the tone of my trailer. After that, just click Create. It only takes a few seconds to generate your music, and here it is. As you can see, it has created 2 tracks. You can play them one by one, and whichever one you like, you can download it, or simply regenerate if you want a different version. It's that simple. Okay, once you're ready with your music, this next step is completely optional, but since I've used a voiceover in my video, let me show you exactly how I did it. Now, we all know you can generate voiceovers using text-to-speech tools like 11 Labs or other similar AI models, but honestly, most of them don't sound very natural. So here's what I did instead. First, I recorded the lines I wanted to add just using my phone. Then I opened 11 Labs, went to the voice changer section, and uploaded my recording there. After that, you can choose any voice from the available options and hit generate. And just like that, it transforms your voice into something really cinematic and high quality. The best part is, it doesn't sound robotic because it's still your natural voice, just enhanced and stylized. That's exactly how I created the voiceover you heard at the beginning of this video. Pretty awesome, right? And finally, let's edit the video and put everything together to create the final trailer. I'll be using CapCut for this because it's free, super easy to use, and has all the tools you need. But of course, you can use any video editor of your choice. First, open CapCut and import all your clips, voiceovers, and background music. Next, drag and drop drop your background music and the voiceover onto the timeline. After that, start adding your video clips one by one, following the order from your scene draft. This step is really important. Make sure everything stays in sequence according to your script. And for the duration of each scene, I've synced mine to match the background music and voiceover for that cinematic rhythm, but you can adjust it however you like based on your style and pacing. Once you're done arranging your clips, it's time to add some transitions between your scenes. To do that, go to the Transitions tab and look for the black fade transition. Then, simply drag and drop it between your clips, and you're done. If you want to adjust the duration of the transition, you can do it from here. I'll set mine to about 1 second. That feels smooth and cinematic. After that, I'll add the same transition to a few other scenes as well. And no, I'm not going to add transitions to every single scene, because that wouldn't look professional. Just use them wherever it feels natural or helps the video flow better. I'm sticking with the black fade transition to keep things clean and professional, but you can definitely experiment with others. Just make sure to keep it subtle and simple. After that, let's add some text to make the trailer look more professional. To do that, go to the text tab and drag a new text layer into the timeline, then adjust its position. I'll place mine right about here. Next, in this text box and type whatever you want to display. I'll write my text here, then change the font, size, and position until it looks just right. You can use the exact same method to add your title text at the end of the trailer too. Okay, once you're done with that, let's add some filters to give the trailer a more cinematic and professional look. To do that, go to the Filter tab and then simply drag and drop the filter you like onto your video. I'll be using this clear filter. After adding it, make sure to adjust the length of the filter so it covers the entire video. Then, I'll tweak the intensity to around 45% just to keep it subtle and balanced. And that's it. Our trailer is now ready. All that's left to do is export the video, and here's the final result.
What unites people? Armies, flags, stories. We are in the great game now, and the game is terrifying.
Wow, that was just outstanding, right? I'm telling you guys, no one out there will actually teach you how to make awesome creative videos like this. But now you know exactly how to create cinematic creative videos using AI. And trust me, it's super easy once you try it yourself. So what are you waiting for? Go and try it now. And if you face any issues or get stuck anywhere, just drop a comment below. I'll be more than happy to help you out. Guys, I put a lot of time and effort into making these videos to help you create amazing AI content. So please like, share, and subscribe. It really helps support the channel and keeps me motivated to make more for you. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep grinding.